To install Google Tag Manager on Squarespace, start by logging into your Squarespace account and navigating to the Settings panel. From there, click on Advanced and then click on Code Injection. This will take you to a page where you can add custom code to your Squarespace site. Next, log into your Google Tag Manager account and create a new container for your Squarespace site. This will give you a unique container ID that you will need to add to your Squarespace site. To get the container ID, click on the Admin tab and then click on Install Google Tag Manager. Copy the container ID and go back to your Squarespace site. In the Code Injection panel, add the container ID to the header section. The code should look something like this, with your container ID in place of the example ID. After adding the code, click Save and your Google Tag Manager container will be installed on your Squarespace site. You can then use Google Tag Manager to add tags, triggers, and variables to your site, giving you more control over your marketing and analytics efforts. To verify that Google Tag Manager is installed correctly, use the Google Tag Manager preview mode. This will allow you to see the tags that are firing on your site and make any necessary adjustments. Best practices for installing Google Tag Manager on Squarespace include making sure to test your tags and triggers before publishing them, and using the preview mode to verify that everything is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily install Google Tag Manager on your Squarespace site and start using its powerful marketing and analytics tools.